Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Taurus, and today I'll be picking one card for your moon energies. So this is the card. I will leave this card here. And one fortune cookie for you all today. So we will leave this fortune cookie card here. We will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading, Taurus. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Taurus. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Queen of Wands in reverse, and Chariot in reverse. So, in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are making some important decision today. Something needs to be done. Maybe you are stuck with some problems in your circumstances. There are people arguing with you or fighting with you. It may be something in your work, some kind of a litigation may be for some of you, and you feel that you are unable to change the way things are going, unable to change these circumstances, some kind of difficulty you have today, and you feel really you feel you need to do a lot of things, you need to put in a lot of efforts today to make changes in your circumstances. So you are really facing a stressful time. You need to do so much today. Maybe it may be something to do in your work situation, guys, or it may be in your relationship. So you are making a lot of efforts trying to do things the right way, trying to be really finding that balance in this relationship. But whatever you do, you feel that you cannot trust this person. Maybe they have something on their mind, and you feel that you cannot trust them because maybe for some of you, they are not telling you something. They have something in their heart of hearts and they are not telling you. And maybe for some of you, you may feel that this person is really hiding something. They are feeling jealous towards you, or they have some fears towards you, or it may be your energy. You are fearing something, you are suspecting something, because the way they are, maybe the words they speak or their actions is making you suspect something. So a lot of suspicion on this person. It may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys, Taurus. So we'll see what is the card for your relationship. We picked this card and it is King of Cups in reverse. So with this card, it just means that maybe this person you are seeing, they are not honest towards you. Maybe they have some intentions and it is not completely good, and they are hiding something maybe Or maybe for some of you, they have a bad name, or they have what to say, a lot of gossips running about them. So they are really scared, or they are worried that you will hear about these gossips and you will leave them. So that may be their energy here. Maybe they are really concerned that you will take a different decision if you know the truth today, guys. So this person is trying to be really calm, quiet, um, trying to maintain a distance in this relationship, not revealing the truth. So that may be the reason for their behavior today, guys, Taurus. So for your career circumstances, we picked one card and it says death. So in your career situation, there are huge changes happening. Something you never expected, something drastic and something sudden may happen, something may leave you. It may be some projects or some assignments. Some changes are happening. Though you have worked hard, though you are a very responsible person, dedicated to your work, so whatever it may be, you see some changes, but these changes may look like something drastic and really painful today, guys. But these changes are necessary for something better to come in your life today, in your career situation, and you're making a lot of efforts, Taurus, relentless efforts. You're working really hard to see good things come towards you, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your moon energies today, we picked one card. A time for healing, balsamic moon. So with this card, it just means that past is past, Taurus. So today you must give up all that worries, thinking about the past. Give yourself time to heal from whatever experience you had. So the same way in this relationship, you must give yourself time and also this other person time, and believe in yourself and have that belief that anything can happen at this time, anything is possible. And it is time for you to surrender to that higher power or universe, God, whatever you call it, and wait to hear for the guidance from that. Wait. Have patience today. And you need to completely believe in something positive coming your way. When you do that, you are going to see positive changes in your circumstances. And your circumstances are changing. You are just turning the corner, just a little more to go, little more steps to take. And you need to believe that, guys, and you need to go easy on yourself. Don't be really hard. Don't, what to say, take care of yourself. So, whatever has happened has happened. So, you need to forgive yourself first. Start with forgiving yourself first and give yourself time you need to heal from whatever circumstances you saw in your life, guys, Taurus. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for your fortune cookie, we picked one card. We will see what it is. Achievement. Enjoy the limelight. You have earned it. Although on the family front, someone's health could cause some secret worries and sleepless nights. So that is the energy, guys. That is the fortune cookie for y'all today, Taurus. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.